Now we know how to place regular elements. Now, as you can see, this is the level symbology, but then how we just change symbology uh, of different elements. Like, for example, what is the level symbology that I need to place a specific bridge element if I'm drafting something, right? So the next level of configuration in this CAD environment is what we call element templates, right? What is that? For example, here, if I want to select a level, I have so many levels in which I need to draw information that it will be really hard to decipher which one should I do, right? I need to consult a CAD manual or some publication to see which level the specific element I want to draw uh, is to use. So what we have defined, the part of the configuration is what is called element templates. So we group information. For example, if I need to draw, uh, let's see, a tendon, right? So I go tendon. I'm going to be the tendon element itself. I'm going to draw it. So what level, color, weight, line style it is, not important because it's already defined as an element template. So look, I'm going to select tendon and the symbology will change automatically. So then when I draw it, it will come with the proper symbology, right? So I don't need to start switching elements here or here or here to match the symbology that I need to use to draw a wing wall or the footing of a wing wall or the pile of a wing wall. So I need to draw something. I just select it and then it's selected automatically so I can start drafting it. So that is the next level of CAD symbology definition, the use of element templates. And these element templates are already predefined by your administrator. It's part of the configuration. We can manage and see what we have in the setup, in the workspace, right? So we have elements for the bridge, element detailing symbols, drainage elements. So all of that information is already predefined by your administrator. And this is the level symbology that is going to use when you want to draw a top girder, for example, right? It's already predefined. And these are in gray because they are part of your library. You cannot modify it, right? It's part of your setup. However, the ones that we use, right, we have placed a couple of them. That configuration is already part of your file. The test DGN that I'm using, and they became part of the file. And these ones you can modify. But again, it's not recommended, but they become part of your file. So this is the next level of configuration on what an element template is. Okay, the next level of configuration is mostly used within the software application. So, like for example, this line that I'm placing, right, with an element template footing, right? So if I draw this, right, at the end of the day, this is just a cat element, just a line, right? But then how the software will know that it's a footing? It doesn't. It only has cat properties. But we need to assign actual physical properties. Let's call it BIM properties. I need to know the dimensions. I need to know if it's a 3D element. I need to know the volume. I need to know what it is. It's a footing and where is that located and all of that. So the next level of definition is called a feature definition. So one more time, we're going from the very basic level, color, weight, line, style. We're grouping all of them and make it easier to still draw as element templates. And the next level, as we're going to use the software, is the feature definition. So basically telling the element that I model it or I drew, what is that element? It's a footing, it's a pile, it's a column, right? So with the feature definition, the software will know how it's going to behave. It's going to behave as an alignment, it's going to behave as a column, right? But the representation of that footing will be taken from that definition, from the element template, and then also for the level symbology. Okay, so remember, cat elements, level, color, weight, line, style, higher level, element template, know what it is. Now, the next level, using the software, is called feature definition, in which we tell the software what that element is and how it's going to behave as a footing, as a column, as a cap, as a bearing. Okay?